Here at Locable, we're all about modernizing the way communities interact and do business. I'm Brian Ostrovsky, and over the next couple of minutes I want to show you how Locable is creating Main Street for the 21st century with local publishers as the anchor tenant. Now I want to start by saying print is not dying. If you're a print publisher, print's not dying, but print-only businesses are. And coming to terms with that is an important fact of life. The key is Locable is going to help you leverage your assets to build something sustainable and valuable into the future. After watching this video, if you want to see how you can go from $0 to $100,000 a year in digital revenue, check out our one sheet at locable.com. Now I'm going to talk for a moment about the modern media company. It's important to note that you're not just a publisher, but that you have a digital presence to go with your print presence, website, Facebook, email, whatever comes next, but you also can provide digital services. The key is solving real problems, contemporary problems for readers and businesses alike. It's important to really stress the fact that we're about creating more than just a better website. Sure, you're going to get a better site, you're going to get something that is a tool that you can use, that your community engages with, but you need to create a more sustainable business for the future. Quick note on content. We talk a lot about the local content ecosystem, the importance of having articles, events, and business information on your website, and the equal importance of having these things work together. Every event should take place at a local venue. That venue is in your directory. There should be a link back and forth. It's great for Google, other search engines, and great for users. But digital content on a whole should be much broader and more dynamic than what may appear in print, if for no other reason that you don't have any constraints. It doesn't cost you any more to create more content. And when done right, it also doesn't undermine quality print content. In fact, it enhances it, can be used in print in some cases. So you should think thematically about things like guides, whether it's parenting guides or dining guides or travel guides, seasonally around Father's Day, Mother's Day, 4th of July, local profiles, and much more. We've got a lot of videos on the topic to give you ideas on how you can quickly and rapidly produce great local content, user-inspired content that plays well and often goes viral. On the revenue front, it's important to think about things as a revenue-first approach. Do away with that old notion of content, then traffic, then engagement. It doesn't need to be done that way. Locable's approach is very much revenue-first. Doesn't mean you can't add value before you drive significant audience. And making money from go means starting with things like site sponsorships or charter sponsorships. People who are going to support your web initiative because they love the community, they love your vision, and they want to be recognized for being a part of it. Continuing with things like social promotions, giveaways, contests, sweepstakes. Again, videos are available on the subject for a deeper dive. Sponsored content, the sort of guides I was talking about. We regularly will do a pumpkin patch guide sponsored by a local business. It's great content, and it's revenue for you. And then, of course, digital services. Whether someone needs a new website, whether they need help with a new logo, or something entirely different, those are things that you can sell and profit from, even if you're not the ones delivering the final product. So I want you to think about revenue as being an appetizer or dessert. For those of your advertisers that add digital, it's a dessert. It's a complement to the entree. But for most people listening in, 95 to 98% of local businesses in your market are not advertisers. That's a massive potential audience of new revenue if you can entice them with a tasty appetizer. And that's what digital can do in many cases. Part of the benefit of embracing digital the right way is that it changes your business, because only at the local level are readers and advertisers the same people. And the more you can engage with readers online, the more you can get them to put on their advertiser hat, the more you can bring leads to you, to convert leads for online revenue and print revenue. Digital done right grows print revenue. So Locable provides the only turnkey program for publishers. We combine our game-changing, class-defining technology with best practices and operational support. We're here to support you today and in the future so that you can run a great local business. It's really about helping you deliver more of what makes you great and unique in your market. Our network is 80+ strong and growing, a mix of community newspapers, magazines, and online-only publishers, and we run very much like that of network television. We look for local affiliates in each market, and Locable's network has some very unique attributes beyond just technology and training that benefit your business. Publishers have a lot of great things to say about how we work, how we understand local, and what our mission is. I invite you to talk to us to learn more about how we can impact your business. And whether you're looking to take small strides that are meaningful but very measured, Whether you want to go faster towards a digital future or you want to become the local media source, much like a trainer at the gym, Locable will help you get there more effectively through the right technology, the right equipment, and the right activities. Locable works with publishers in a number of ways, but most start with a network membership. That is everything you need to be profitable today, to be successful today and in the future, from our technology to our training support and even some network benefits. We will guide you towards the future that you want. And this starts at $175 a month based on your circulation and audience size. Now, for some publishers, lean staff, busy staff, whatnot, they're looking for an added hand getting some of the work done, whether it's writing, community outreach, social media management, or something else entirely. Locable can provide this for you, either in an a la carte capacity or on an ongoing capacity. In fact, we run a number of publishers' websites entirely for them as their digital staff, and that's all built with local publishers in mind. I'm Brian Ostrovsky. I hope you will contact us to learn more about how we can positively impact your business, your community, and your advertisers. Thanks so much.